Good morning, students. Today we shall learn the rectification of error. In your grammar composition portion, we have the rectification of error for both the standard 9th and 10th English medium. What is the meaning of rectification means? To rectify. Rectify means to make correct, to edit, make it right, which is error. Error means wrong. That means from the wrong things you have to make it right. Corrections. You have to make corrections. That is the rectification of error. It's a compulsory question for your exam. Both in the first semester, second semester, you will have the this question of some 3 marks. So pay attention to it and learn. For 9th standard, it is first time this topic. 10th, you have already done it because last year I have taught you rectification of error. Okay. You see, like this, you will be given one passage. Left side, you can see one paragraph. One paragraph will be there, and the right side, you will be given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and then 2 blanks will be there. You are supposed to read, first of all, when you see this type of question, you are supposed to read the full paragraph and try to understand which tense it is, whether it is written in present tense or past tense or future tense. Also, you have to notice, you have to find out some spelling mistakes will be there. There will be some spelling mistakes. There also will be the mistake in the uses of preposition, in, on, upon, above, below. This type of preposition mistakes will be there. Also the conjunctions mistake, and mainly the tenses you will have to see. Okay, and each line there will be one mistake. So each line one mistake you have to find out. So you have to write the wrong word and then you have to provide the correct one also. Clear? So let us see the first example. I felt then the great presence of the creator of this world and this university. God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. I try in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, there is some pain on my right arm. You see, each line there will be some mistake. Okay? See the first line, I felt then, you see after reading this you can understand in which tense it is. It is written in the past tense and therefore from first till last it should be past tense. I felt then the great presence of the creator. Here you see present is the wrong word. It should be presence of the creator, not present of the creator. Okay? It is a presence of the creator of this world and this university. It's not the university is the wrong word. We have given universe is the right. Suppose I said something and he did not liked it. Liked is a wrong word. Here it will come like. Why like? Because did is there, did not. So did is there already past tense and therefore it is did not like it. I try in my imagination. Try is a wrong word. Instead of that it is the tried. In my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, there is some pain on my right arm. There is some pain. There is the present tense and therefore past tense is was. Pain on my right arm. On wrong. In is the right answer. Clear? Imagine. And in the exam you have not to write this full sentence. You have to write like this. First line. So first, second, third, fourth and give the first wrong word. Then the right word you have to provide. Clear? Second example. A one-eyed man was traveling through a bus one day. He was carrying a huge bag on his shoulder. Anyone sitting next to him said, why didn't you keep your bag beneath the seat? The man smiled and said, it is too big to be kept there. You see here, example, it is given one example. A one-eyed man, not A. A is wrong and one-eyed, okay? Because it is the vowel sound O, one is there and therefore it will be an. And one-eyed man was traveling through a bus, not through a bus, it is by a bus. Okay, carrying a huge bag on him shoulder. Him shoulder, no, his shoulder. This is very easy. Him shoulder, no. Anyone sitting next to him, anyone, no. Somebody or someone, you can write. Someone also is right. Somebody sitting next to him said, why didn't you keep your bag? Didn't, no. Why don't you keep your bag? Somebody is asking. Okay. Why don't you keep your bag beneath the seat? Beneath the seat, no, under the seat. The man smiled and said, it is too big to be kept there. Very tricky question, because sometimes the simple spelling mistake you can't even make out, it is wrong. There, THEIR, there is wrong. Kept there, showing the place, it is THERE. Okay? Them, there, this is a plural of theirs, no? And so it is there is the place it is showing, and so it is there is wrong. There, THERE is the correct answer. Clear? Now, you will have to write down all these examples as well as homework. Next 2 slides is your homework. See there. Kashmir is right called the paradise in earth. Its beauty is to be seen, to be believed. The rivers, hills, mountains and gardens are the tourist attract. The snow-clad mountains is a treat for the eyes. One example is given, done for you. Rightly. Kashmir is rightly called, not right called. Rightly called the paradise on earth, not in earth. Okay, sorry, I gave you the answer of second one also, but it's fine. So like that you find out and write. Next one is the more important advantage. Example is given, most important advantage, not more important, of a nuclear family are that people get his privacy. In a joint family, there are restrictions which today's generation do not like. They disregard the disadvantages of a joint family. Clear? So, these 2 examples you do in your grammar composition notebook. And whenever there is a chance, maybe after the Diwali vacation, then I will check, because you have internal marks from your notebook also. Thank you, students.